everyone. So today we are going to see how to write an application letter. Okay. So occasionally all the employers prefer to receive an application letter for an open position, right? Instead of a resume and cover letter. So usually every companies are just the first step, okay, towards getting a job is your application letter. They are looking into your application letter. So it plays very important role when you are applying for any of the job. So by this application letter, some of the companies may judge you. They may judge you. Okay, I'm not telling that they will judge you. They might get some knowledge, okay, about your skills from this application letter itself, right? So application letter and resume, see, these two documents are very important, isn't it? So application letter, what it does, it reflects more about you as an individual, whereas the resume outlines your professional skills and experience more, right? So herein we'll see few details, right? So application letter, what it is exactly, it is a standalone document, okay, which you it is a document which you provide to the employer, right? And in this you write in about your interest, okay, in the open position, okay, and you will also provide a slight details about your professional and qualificational details as an individual, right? So you may also highlight sometimes about your skills achievement, okay, and some goals and what else you can do for the company to get the job. So sometimes an application letter, okay, it's a briefing, okay, or you can say that it's a briefing about you, okay, and the related job opening, okay. So there's a standard format here which will tell you how to write an application letter, right? See, suppose you are applying for the post of a manager, right? Or you're applying for the post of a team manager or a lead, right? So these are basic things which you need to take care of, right? So initially you need to review information about the company and the open position in that company, right? You need to use purely professional format when it comes to the application or any of the letter applying to the job, right? You need to create a proper heading, okay, and you need to address this letter to the hiring manager, okay. Open the letter by describing your interest, outline your experience and qualificational background details, okay. Include some physical traits or some personality traits and skills that you have and which may be useful for their company, right? Then you may also have some appreciations. You may also include sometimes an appreciational statements, right? And then at the end you need to have a closing letter, right? So what you need to include in reviewing information about the company and its position, right? So what you can have here, right? So suppose you are applying for the post of like you can say team leader or as a team member in a Wipro, okay, then what you are going to do there? First thing is that you need to have some information about the company. So just go through the companies, okay, and go through their websites and make a proper listing of about the company, that who is the CEO of the company or how many employees currently work in that company, what is the location, what are the head offices, how many branches, whether it is a multinational company or it is a local company, what are the upcoming projects of the company. All this information you can just have a glance and make a and jot it down, okay. Then depending on this you will come to know, or you may gain a confidence of saying that like reviewing or you know about the company, right? After that go for a professional format of writing an application letter, right? So what is that professional format, right? See, the alignments, okay, the fonts, the colors that you choose here should be very format oriented, right? So you can have a Times New Roman in a 10 to 12 points, okay. Try to keep your application letter in one page, just try to cover it within a single page, okay. And so that add in some details which puts a first impression or provides, okay, a briefing, or it may highlight you, right, as a correct candidate for the job, right? Then the third step that you're gonna do is create the heading, right? So what this heading should include? It should include your name, contact information, the company name, address. Okay, then if you're sending that through email, you can eliminate your name and contact information from the header and just put it in the signature form. But when you're doing it through the email, but physically when you're writing in a letter to the company, always the heading should be your startup, right? See, this is the example. Okay, your name, your physical address, your phone number, your email address, date, name of hiring manager or supervisor, company name and details. By including all these details, okay, it becomes easy for the manager to follow up with you regarding the available position, right? So after that, immediately go for the address to the hiring manager, like dear Mr. or Miss, or dear sir, or dear madam, dear hiring manager. Okay, see, here in some links are there and you can also go through these links. Okay, so next step will be what? Open the letter by describing your interest. So here is where you have to play a very major role. So I told you about paragraph writing. Okay, so suppose now your topic is describing your interest for the job. So how you're going to write this within the paragraph? So have a opening line for this topic, provide the interrelated information, description, narration about that post, and then finally you need to conclude that why you are suitable for this job. So let's see an example. See, I saw the posting for the marketing intern role on my university's online job board and I am very interested in the role. I am in my final year of earning my bachelor's degree in marketing with a minor in communications. So I feel my okay, my educational experience has prepared me to work in a fast paced marketing department like the one within your organization. See, this is the powerful boosting statement, right? Okay, then after that you go for outlining your experience and qualifications. Okay, you can attach. Okay, sometimes you can also attach a resume for this. Okay, then include aspects of your personality. Okay, so what are the like actually aspects, okay, of your personality, right? So see, explain in your letter how good you're at connecting with children or how you value community spirit. So like you may tell how much good you are to have a good relationship with the customer, or you can also tell them that what are some qualities in you that are the company is actually looking for. Okay, express appreciation, right? See how it is done. I appreciate the time you have taken to review my application letter. Since you likely received a number of applications and letters for this open position, I am extremely grateful for the time you have spent reading about me and what would make me a good fit for this role. Okay, then close the letter. Okay, so close the letter. Okay, and this is the final line, so saying that you sincerely or best. Okay, so all these things can be included at closing the letter. Okay, and finally sending your job application letter, right? So see here, so these are few tips. Okay, so which you can also follow while applying a job. Okay, so this is a template. Okay, that is the structure which we had discussed. So your name, your address, email, phone number, company name, address, salutation, outline, discussion about qualifications, describing, okay, your skills and expressing your appreciation, closing, and your signature and your name. So this is the basic template, okay, which you can use for applying any of the job, and this is one example, okay, which fits into that template. See, dear, okay, Jenkins, okay, I am reaching out to you regarding the posting for the HR consultant position I found on Indeed.com. I have a great interest in this position and would appreciate your consideration as a candidate for the role. In my previous experience, I worked in HR departments to provide support across several different industries. See, make a note, you cannot write HR over there, okay? You need to completely write as human resources. Okay, so I have worked in my current role as human resource generalist for the past 4 years. Prior to this job, I worked as a human resources assistant for 2 years, which shows my ability to advance in my career. I have a strong passion for helping others, which is why I found such fulfillment in human resources. providing support to my fellow employees and assisting them in a ways that benefit them both personally and professionally. I also enjoy looking for solutions to common human resource problems, which I feel would be great asset in the position with your company. Right? Did you see? In this way, you can include the details, have an appreciation line followed by your signature, right? So hopefully I think this will surely help you, okay? And please do write an application letter, okay, considering a vacancy in the company which is a part of your assignment, okay? So here we're going to sign, I'm going to sign off here, and shortly we'll meet you in the next session. Bye.